Hello everyone. Experiments state facts. When experiments tell two different stories, both the stories are equally true, even when they appear contradictory to us. This doesn't make a stumbling ground per se for a scientist or anyone. But often we scientists respond either by saying, this doesn't make sense, claiming no one understands it, or by framing theoretical views to hold the contradictions together. Very often, these very views further complicate the picture of reality, if not infinitely complicated. Surely, these are the ways in which scientific or academic fields evolve, and within a premise of research area, it is a just and a right way to move forward. Understanding the way the universe works, however, should involve open perceptivity and avoiding alleys that get convoluted, making picture more and more out of hand. So what is the correct vantage point I'm talking about in the title of this video? It is the vantage point of the observer that must be taken into account correctly when joining in different scientific information into a seamless whole. It is also extremely crucial to note that the context of observer here is different than what is perceived as scientifically, philosophically, or beyond. For elaboratory roots and further explanation on the context of observer, please watch this video. For the criticality of the context of observer, or for the criticality of taking into account the vantage point of the observer in understanding the principles of physics, watch this video. And this one above to see what happens to the scientific picture of reality when we miss on taking a correct vantage point. But in a nutshell, the point is this. Firstly, fully allow disparate sides of empirical information. Then follow on their mathematical formulations. Say no to mathematical infinities. If we are getting untenable mathematical infinities, the question boils down to not having correctly interpreted the picture that the formulations convey, that disparate observations convey. Observations are plain right, and so are their mathematical formulations. It is the correct interpretive blending of the three that comes to rescue, and it is exactly where the correct vantage point of the observer, or taking into account the correct vantage point of the observer, takes a pivotal role. With it, not only that the disparate empirical observations come to blend in together, but with it, different facets of reality, including our own makeup or the language of mathematics, also come to take an elemental role in that very fabric, because ultimately everything is a part of the one and only continuum. Thank you. Thank you.
Please subscribe and look out for upcoming videos on this enticing and crucial subject.